In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page views in Google Analytics 4. Understanding how people interact with your website is crucial for making informed decisions about your online presence. Google Analytics 4, or GA4, offers an enhanced way to track these interactions with a more comprehensive approach. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or just getting started, you'll find that accessing page view data is an essential step to understanding audience behavior on your site. So, let's dive in together and walk through the process with ease. First, you'll want to open up Google Analytics and navigate to the home screen of your GA4 property. Once you're in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. This sidebar is your main hub for navigating through the various reports and features GA4 has to offer. From here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Reports. Moving on, under the Reports section, there are several categories that help break down the different types of data you can analyze. Focus your attention on the category labeled Life Cycle. It's specifically designed to help you track and understand the journey users take on your website, from acquisition all the way through to conversion. Lifecycle is an important tool as it groups various aspects of user interactions. Within this lifecycle category, you'll find the Engagement section. This is the area we want to explore further today. As you delve into the Engagement section, envision it as a window into the behaviors and activities of your users on the site. It's all about what happens during the user's visit. Within Engagement, there's a report called Pages and Screens. Click on this, and you'll land on a detailed page that showcases the performance of different pages and screens on your site. It essentially gives you an overall picture of how different parts of your site are faring in terms of user interactions. Here, you will see various metrics and dimensions that provide valuable insights into user behavior. One of the key metrics to focus on is page views. Page views tell you how often a particular page on your website has been viewed by users. It's a straightforward but crucial metric, giving you a clear idea of what areas of your site are attracting attention. Keep in mind that page views count every visit, including repeated visits to the same page by a single user. As you're reviewing this data, consider how it aligns with your business goals. Are the pages you want to highlight getting the attention they deserve? Also, take note of any high-performing pages. These could be optimized further to enhance engagement and conversion rates. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through GA4 to find page view data. By regularly reviewing these insights, you can better understand your audience and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's effectiveness. Remember, the more familiar you become with GA4's capabilities, the more strategic you can be about optimizing your online presence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more helpful tutorials.